Good morning, students. This is online class of class 9. Today I am going to teach you about the chapter The Fun They Had from the book NCERT book Beehive. So today I am going to tell you about the chapter which is set in the year 2157 in School of Future, which is related to computer, robotic teacher, e-text and virtual classroom. And there is also the characters, which is Margie, an 11-year-old girl, Tommy, a 13-year-old boy, and Margie's mother, county inspector. This is here the cartoons of Margie and Tommy finding a real book. So as you in the picture you can see the School of Future. See, Margie's classroom is a virtual classroom right next to her bedroom. She just have to switch on the computer and the e-book will, or the mechanical teacher will start giving her homework or start explaining or giving her arithmetic problems. So learning through computer. There is a robotic teacher. There is e-computer. So let's start with the lesson explanation, okay? So Margie entered in a diary that the year 17th May 2157 that Tommy had found a real book, okay? And what happened is that Margie is the main character or the main protagonist. As I told you earlier that Margie is 11 years old and she is a younger sister of Tommy, okay? And she is entering in a diary that Tommy had found a real book, okay? So Margie enters in a diary. She writes, Tommy found a real book. This real book is which is traditional kind of a book which has prints, okay, which have pages, which has to be physically moved by hand, okay? So book in format of print or on paper are extant, and so Margie is astonished to see a real book. So as this story is set in future 2157, so Margie is quite shocked to find a traditional kind of a book, okay? And the book, what is physical aspects of the book, okay? The book is very wrinkled, okay? Very wrinkly. It is yellow in color, as it is a very old book, okay? It is a very old uh, book. And Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. So when Granny's grandfather once said so even the Margie's grandfather had told that as his grandfather was a small boy, his grandfather had told that time people used to read this kind of traditional book. So finding this book, Margie is remembering his grandfather, okay? Okay, he told her that his grandfather studied all the books that were printed on paper. So this kind of book is historical or ancient for them, something which is cannot believe, they cannot imagine. So Tommy and here Tommy is reading the book and Margie is listening. They turned the pages, so the pages were all crinkly. Crinkly means with many folds, okay, or lines or something very old, wrinkly. And it was awfully funny. So they were finding very awfully funny to read kind of this kind of traditional books, okay? Because they have always studied in they have always studied through e-class or through virtual classroom or e-book, e-textbook, okay? E-textbook is basically kind of a virtual books. So Margie is talking about the book that Tommy had found, okay? So she says that the pages of the book turned yellow and they had been crushed as it was very old. So they found it very funny to read those words that stood still, okay? As they have been used to the virtual or ebook that which has to be slided, okay? Which like you read it in tablets or e-Kindle book, okay? As the words were printed on the pages, they did not move. On the other hand, the book that Margie and Tommy read was e-book. So in ebook, how it happened, the text keeps on moving as the screen moves, so it was a very different than printed book. So they were finding it very hard to look at this traditional book. At it, they had to be moved with hand, okay, and it was very old and yellowy. And then when they turned back to the page before, it had same words on it as it had been when they read first time. So there were same words which when they flipped the pages. This was very strange experience for these children. When you have a book which is printed on paper, whenever you flip the pages, you get to see the same things written on the pages. On the other hand, ebooks text keep on changing on screen. The screen is same. You have the same screen in front of you, but the text keeps on changing. So as you know, in the tablets, when you read it through tablets, the books, it keeps on changing, and the words keeps on changing, but the screen remains the same. But in traditional books, when you flip the pages, the pages turns and even the words changes, okay. So Tommy is finding it a waste, okay, that useless, this kind of book, because once you read this book, that is of no use, you just have to throw away. Whereas the virtual classroom or the ebook, you cannot throw it away, okay, because there in this ebook there is a million or all other books in that kind of a e-textbook. So Tommy didn't like this kind of printed traditional books, okay. He found it a waste, and he found it only one time reading kind of book, and he found it useless, okay. So on the contrary, he felt on contrary what Tommy felt that these computer screens were very good, because you have thousands, millions and millions of books inside, okay, and you could read more and more, and you don't have to throw it away, whereas traditional books, you can once read it, there is no use. So Margie thought the same, okay, and so though Margie was only 11 years old, and she hadn't read so many of ebook, okay, ebook, which is 2157 children's book, okay, so she was not experienced as Tommy. So what happened is that, so Margie was just 11 years old and Tommy was 13. So Tommy had read more kind of e-text e-books, okay, and Margie hadn't read so much of books. So now Margie is asking to Tommy that what was there in the printed book, okay, old book which he found in the attic. Attic means a space just below the roof, which is okay, which is kind of storeroom in foreign countries. It is just below the roof. So Tommy is replying that he found a topic of school, okay. In the traditional book, the topic was school, and Margie is telling that Margie is scornful, okay. Margie is very much scornful. That means Margie is showing dislike of something, which because Margie don't like schools, okay. So she is thinking that what kind of book this is, kind of old book that has school topic. Margie hated the word schools. Now we'll come to know why she hated the word. As her mechanical teacher used to give test after test in geography, and she used to fail a lot in geography, okay. So that's why she hated the school. And so until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully, sent the county inspector. Now we can come to know about another character, county inspector. County inspector is basically a round little man, okay, and with a red face, who fixed the computer or the mechanical teacher. So now she was failing geography a lot, so Margie's mother was very sad and called the county inspector to fix the computer, okay. So what happened is that the county inspector came to check the mechanical teacher or the computer, okay. So it was a round little man, had a red face. He was carrying a big box of tools with dials and wires. So county inspector usually came with his tools to fix the computer. So Margie was very happy that the computer will go away. Now she don't have to study, because once Tommy's computer was broken, and they had to fix, and they had to take away that computer, okay, for many days. So she is also thinking the same. But what happens is that the county inspector fixed the computer, or the mechanical teacher, at once, okay, and she is very upset. So once he opened, and what happened is that uh, so Margie, what she has to do, she had to put, whenever she had to study, she had to put the homeworks through the slot, okay. So she had to put homeworks and test papers like a slot, okay, in the slot in the computer, okay. Slot means a given space or time of position. So Margie hated the mechanical teacher a lot, okay. She always had to write the punch code. Punch code is some kind of code that you have to enter, okay, before entering the computer, and they had to learn that punch code when they were 6 years old. Inspector smiled after he finished. So inspector, now county inspector, finished the computer, fixing the computer, and the county inspector is telling that it is not Margie's fault. She failed in geography. It was the computer, because the screen was going too fast. Okay, the computer is saying. Uh, so the county inspector adjusted to a particular standard or level. Okay. Because see here, the county inspector said that Margie was getting bad in geography because machine was not working properly, and the screen was too fast going, okay. It was basically it at a very high level. Now she had geared up, okay, county inspector have geared up the speed of the computer. That's why it had a malfunction. So also county inspector told that Margie was learning at a good pace, okay. So what happened? Margie was doing well according to her age. So but Margie was very disappointed that she had to again join the virtual classroom, as her computer was fixed and she had to study again. So Margie was sad as she did not want to learn, okay, from the mechanical teacher. So what happened is that as I told you, Margie is reminded the time when Tommy's mechanical teacher had been taken away. As I told you before, that once Tommy's computer had been taken away, or the mechanical teacher had been taken away, as it was broken, okay, and it had to be taken away, and the history short portion of the machine that taught the history subject had been wiped out. So as the computer was broken and the subject history was wiped out from the computer, so the computer did not any memory to teach, okay. Now, so she said to Tommy, now she's talking to Tommy, that why would anybody write about a school, okay, and because Margie so much disliked school that she's thinking why somebody would write about a school. Now Tommy, as he is elder and he is looking with a superior eye, okay, because it is not our kind of school, because Tommy is elder and he is looking with a as if knowledgeable eye, and telling his sister that as this is not our kind of school, virtual school, this is one kind of a traditional school, okay. This is old kind of a school they had 100 years ago. So Tommy looked at Margie with superior eyes, okay. He added, loftily pronouncing the word carefully, centuries ago. Means loftily means superior way, something very in higher position. Because Tommy was 13 years old, he knew that He knew much more than Margie, so he is telling that this is not a traditional school, this is not a virtual school, this is traditional school, that's why it is written in a book. So Margie was little